Ito naman po ang celebration ko dito sa Canada, Part 2. Kasama ko po dito ang aking mga kumare at mga unbiological sisters. Kung kayo po'y nakarating sa kalagatian ng video ito, ibig sabihin nagugustuhan nyo yung aking video. Pakibigyan naman po ako ng likes at comments after you watch this vlog. Thank you so much.
I would like to say a big happy birthday to my friend in social media. It's her birthday. I would like to say a big happy birthday to you, Mom. Mom Watts, how are you? Kumusta po? Kumusta po ang ating birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ma'am Watts Tricks Magtibay. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best. And have many more birthday to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mom Wat. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And God bless you always.
Hello, Ate Watsik Magtibay. Happy birthday po. Greetings from Soji Sumagang. I hope always stay strong, healthy, strong, happy life, and more birthday to come. Again, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sa iyo ang pagkain, ako ang kakain. Again, Watsik Magtibay, happy birthday! More birthday to come!
birthday po, Ma'am Watchrick Magtibay. Maraming salamat po. Kahit hindi ko po kayo lubos na kilala, dito lang po tayo nagkakilala sa social media. Ramdam po yung kabaitan nyo. Handa po kayo tumulong sa lahat ng nangangailangan. Ulit, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, sis. Stay healthy and stay beautiful as always. God bless. Love you.
Hi friend, what's it meant to be? It's your birthday. And wishing you a happy birthday. Good health, more success, and happiness. O, tatlo yung wish ko sa'yo, pero doon ako pupokus sa iyong health. Kasi ng mga nakaraang buwan, masyado maganda ang iyong health. Kaya doon tayo pupokus. Prayer for your good health, friend. And more success. Alam mo, successful ka na rin naman. Pero doon tayo sa health and more success to back also. And happiness too. Again, happy birthday, more candles to blow.
Hello, good morning, Sis Magtibay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you sa ating pagkaibigan dito sa kay Meta. At sana lagi kang masaya dyan at ingatan mo ang iyong sarili. God bless you always, sis. Don't forget to drink your medicines and vitamins para maging maayos ang iyong kalusugan. Ingat and God bless you always. Salamat kay Meta at nagkakilala tayo dito sa social media. I love you and God bless you again. Mwah!
Hola, amiga. Aywa. Hello. I know it's your birthday. Oh. Well, anyways, I just want to isa lang. Thank you. Thank you sa friend. At saka, wish ko kay Lord kasi nabigyan ka pa niya masagana na yun. Thank you. Okay. At happy mot-mot din na yun. So, anniversary ko po. Basta yun eh. Wishing you all the best.
Hi Watts, thank you so much for giving me a chance to greet you a happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. God bless you, Watts. I think it's been 2 years since we've met and be friends here in social media. So I am praying that all the desires of your hearts be granted. God bless you, Watts. Thank you so much for being my friend. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Madam Sitswat Magtibay. More birthdays to come, more blessing, at stay in love. At pagpalain po kayo ng puong may kapal sa araw-araw ng inyong buhay. God bless po, and I love you.
Sissy Watts, happy birthday. I hope so many birthdays to come in your life. God bless. Happy birthday. Always take care of yourself.
Hello guys! Eto, tapos ang birthday yan. Ito ang mga gift ko. Dinaan lahat sa cash. Thank you, Lord. Salamat sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid na unbiological at sa aking mga kumare na nagpunta sa aking birthday. Salamat din sa inyong mga gift. Thank you so much. See you again. Yan po ang aking gift. May mga pera yan sa loob. Hindi ko pa binuklat. Yung iba, gift card. Meron pa sa bag. Salamat sa aking kapatid at pamangkin na nag-prepare ng handaan sa akin sa Pilipinas. Salamat din kay Mahal. Salamat sa aking hipag at kapatid at mga pamangkin dito sa Canada na sumama sa aking pagsasaya sa aking kaarawan. Salamat sa aking landlord na si Martin. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng aking mga kumarihan at mga unbiological sisters. Salamat sa aking hipag na si Adele. Please give me likes and comments after you watch my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Salamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan kong nagbigay ng video greetings. I appreciated much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Mag-likes na rin po at mag-comments after you watch my video.